Hello, let me show you the main features of VirtDB Data Unfolder. I will execute a standard transaction called MM60. I will also load a variant, press execute, and now we have the output of a standard SAP report. So if you install VirtDB Data Unfolder on this application server, then you will have one extra drop-down menu here, and depending on the connected external system, you'll have different menu items. For instance, you can display whatever you have in your report in Tableau Desktop with a single click. Now the add-on converts the data to the specific format of Tableau, which can be either a hyperfile or a Tableau data extract. It downloads it to my laptop and opens it with Tableau Desktop. So as you can see, I have the same data here that I have in my report, so I can start to analyze my SAP data almost instantly. Alright, so this is the first use case. You press a button on a report and push the data to Tableau Desktop. Of course, you can schedule an extraction as well. So if you choose Tableau Server and schedule extraction, then you can enter Tableau specific details. The Tableau project and so on. And let's schedule a background job. You can schedule this to run periodically. You can specify a certain date and time. You can make this a periodic job. It can run every hour, every day, every week, every 5 minutes. It's up to you. But naturally, I will execute this now immediately. So I press save once again, and then the job is finished. I mean, it's scheduled. So let me go to the standard SAP job monitor and check. The job is still running, and meanwhile I will navigate to our Tableau server, to the data sources. Let's check how it's doing. If this is finished. So here we have the data source that was published from SAP as a background job. And naturally, if you have any workbooks connected to this data source, then those will be refreshed automatically whenever this periodic SAP job is executed. Alright, here we have the same data. So now I will show you another feature, which is the mass data extractor tool. I will once again load a variant. I will export the full customer master table called KNA1 to a SQL server. So here you can enter the table name to be created, upload mode, which controls if you want to override the table contents, append or merge based on the key fields. And now let's schedule this job once again. I execute this immediately. So now we've just scheduled another data extraction job. Let's check the status. Okay, so this is finished as well. So let's check what happened here in our SQL server. It's important that the product will create the table, so you don't have to create it by hand manually beforehand. And naturally, just like with the Tableau extraction, the data types are matched. So numbers will be numbers, dates are dates, strings are strings, and so on. You don't have to do any transformation mapping or anything else. Let's check what we have here. The field names, of course, are coming from SAP. Here we have the data. And in case of a SQL Server integration, the program also creates a view upon the table, and the difference is that the column headers will be the descriptions of the column of the fields in the logon language. So if you use Tableau to connect to this database view in the SQL Server, then you will have meaningful column headers. Alright, so that's it in a nutshell. If you're interested, then just go to virtdb.com to find out more about this product.